Maraming naghihintay na oportunidad po sa inyo. And it's not just about collecting your medals. Ito ay tungkol sa araw-araw nating katapangan na harapin ang hamon ng buhay. It is about facing up to the challenges. It's about stepping onto the playing field with confidence. The real victory is having the courage to give it your all. Kaya tandaan po natin, showing up is half the battle. Hindi lahat ay magiging kampyon ngayong linggo. Hindi lahat makakaakyat ng podium. Pero lahat kayo ay may pagkakataong patunayan na kayo ay mandirigma. Mga atletang may tapang, may disiplina, at may integridad. This year, we are not just playing for gold, we are playing for something bigger. I challenge each of you to compete fiercely but fairly. Win with humility and lose with dignity. Honor your school, honor your province, honor your Cordilleran roots. For those who will qualify for the Palarong Pambansa, I'll see you in Ilocos Norte. And for those who do not qualify, remember this. Champions are made in the way they rise after every fall. That's what it means to be a fearless Highlander. Patunayan ninyo sa lahat, the Cordillerans do not just compete, you climb and you conquer.
With these sports facilities, with some facilities of the City of Baguio, thank you sa City of Baguio for sharing your resources. Salamat Launay Kanyayo. With all these facilities, we hope that the Karaa 2025 will be successful.
To the athletes, strive to win, to fuel confidence, and inspire others to believe in what is possible. Pag hindi ka nakagold, let's learn from it. Gamitin natin yung experience natin to be better. Push each other to be better. Dahil naniniwala ako sa darating na Palarong Pambansa ngayon 2025, Cordillera will be a force to reckon with.